Changing your phone number on your Wix business account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Go to the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you access the account associated with the business you want to update. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your website and business settings. Step 3. Go to Business Information. In the dashboard, find the Settings option. Click on it, then look for Business Information or Contact Information to access your current details. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied and your new number is updated in your business profile. Now you have successfully changed your phone number on your Wix business account. Make sure to check your website and any connected services to confirm that data is reflected everywhere.